Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to Ultimate Town Sandbox, a vast world where your entrepreneurial spirit can truly shine. Earning money here isn't just a side activity, it's central to building your dream life within the game. With a good bankroll, you can unlock incredible vehicles, customize your character, and even own impressive properties. Let's explore the best ways to get rich and start making your mark on this vibrant virtual economy. The simplest way to start your wealth journey is by tackling quests and daily tasks. Many non-player characters, or NPC, around the map offer missions that pay well upon completion. Be sure to check your quest log regularly, as daily challenges often provide excellent monetary bonuses and unique items. These early activities will help you build a solid foundation, preparing you for bigger financial ventures down the line. Once you've mastered the basics, consider diving into resource gathering and trading. The world is full of valuable materials, from common wood to rare minerals, waiting to be collected. Take these raw resources to a vendor, or better yet, find other players who need them. Understanding supply and demand is key here, as selling items when they're scarce can significantly boost your income, making you a savvy trader. For the truly ambitious, Ultimate Town Sandbox allows you to become an entrepreneur. By purchasing property, you can set up your very own shop, a crafting workshop, or even a vehicle dealership. Producing items or providing services from your business can create a consistent stream of passive income. Careful planning, like choosing the right location and managing your inventory effectively, will help your business thrive and lead to substantial wealth. To truly maximize your earnings, remember to invest in yourself and your tools. Upgrading your equipment will make resource gathering faster, and improving your skills can lead to higher quality crafted items, fetching better prices. Don't forget to engage with the community. Player-run events and markets can offer surprising opportunities. By staying curious and adapting to new game content, you'll continue to find creative and profitable ways to make money in Ultimate Town Sandbox.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.